Hello, Giovanna Tucker here, and welcome to 100 Days of Today is going to be awesome. Can today be awesome, or at least not suck, for 100 days in a row? Every day I'll be posting a video for 100 days to do just that. See you inside. And remember, today's going to be awesome. Hello, how is your 100 goals going that I got you to write yesterday? Now don't worry, you don't have to sit and write all 100 all at once. You can write them like some today and some tomorrow when you get new inspiration. One thing though is it'd be good to have them by the end of the week. And if in a couple of months' time you decide that you don't want to do one anymore, that's fine, just cross it out and put something else there. It's not set in stone. These are just ideas of things that you'd like to achieve in your life so that you can start working towards them. And make sure you've chosen one that you're going to actually achieve in January. It's a little bit windy today, but it's a beautiful day. And what I want you to do for today's one is I want you to get a journal or get your diary or just an A4 exercise book or anything really, just a refill pad. And I want you to really focus and track all the good things that happen in your life. All the little things, all the big things, all the little wins, all your gratitude, all the actions you've taken, all the things to celebrate, all the compliments, all the discounts you get, all the free things you get, all the money found. I want you just to track how amazing life is and how, oh, my hair is soaking, I just went for a swim. And how could you not? It's so beautiful out there. And I want you to track everything that goes well. I want you to track everything that is awesome in your life on a daily basis. Track everything that is that's happiness, it's worth focusing on, that's to be celebrated, that makes your life awesome. Because we know from the reticular activating system that what we focus on is what we get more of. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on all the good things to do with life. So I want you to focus on everything that goes right, all the insights you have, all the actions you take, all the compliments. You know, if you're walking up to to cross the road, or you're driving up to a red light, it turns green just as you get there. You know, all the little things, because we want to focus on all the little things and all the big things as well, but really focus on all these things that is going right for us, so that our reticular activating system goes, oh, this is what you're focusing on, this is what you want more of, and then you start noticing more things that are going right in your life. See, I want you to take your focus away from what's not working, away from what you don't have, away from the bad things that are happening in your life, and I want you to focus on the good things. Now, it's just as simple, what you focus on expands, what you focus on you get more of, but how many people actually have a diary or a refill or an exercise book right now and are tracking every single day everything that's going right in your life? Barely anyone will be. So I want you to do this for me and share some in the comments below. And it's a bit windy today, so I'll sign off and I'll see you tomorrow.